Texsens pet carrier backpack with windows. This is perfect for small dogs or cats up to about 15 to 18 pounds. So you can see it's very little assembly to get it set up, and you can open it from various sides. Teddy right away wanted to get in it. I think he enjoys the coziness of it. So little pillow at the bottom you can put in and take out, makes it easy for washing, and multiple viewing windows so that your pet can be more comfortable. It collapses down, which makes it great for travel as well, for when your pets aren't in it. And it's this backpack style, so your pet's kind of right against you. They can smell you. They can have that kind of comfort of warmth from your back. And for you, it's got buckle straps for support at the front too, so it does not feel quite as weighty as well. You can see Teddy really enjoys the mesh components of it for peeking through. Here's a look at the buckle straps at the front. It can be tightened, but great for, say, hiking, any kind of outdoor outings, going to the vet potentially. Dimensions of it, about 13.39 inches in length, 10.63 inches in width, and 16.93 inches in height. And as you can see, both sides open up. There is a little clip too to clip onto your pet's collar potentially if you want. That way they kind of stay at their case, especially if they are good at opening up windows. And what's nice is you can have the windows opened without having it be completely open. So just having it as a viewing area rather than a place where they can escape. But very cool item, long lasting, and looks very sleek as well. Check it out.